Disclaimer. All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment, where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? And we back with another one, man. Today we got the metal things on today. I'm finna get ready to get out of here in a couple hours. So we're gonna get us a little last minute POV in before we get out of here. Our last drive, last day at home. Bittersweet. Bittersweet. It's always hot in Mississippi. Good thing we got good AC. Good thing we got good AC. Woo. Here we go. Hey. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Gallon date, keep the cramps away. Mm. 79 miles. Make a quick Walmart run, man. Get some toothbrushes and stuff. I need that. Get all that together. See, can we find that up in Hattiesburg real fast? Get that out the way, knocked out. One less thing we gotta do. But toothbrush and soap, matter of fact. Yeah, that took care of. Light Walmart run, man. Light Walmart run. Walmart on 98. Gotta find us a good old parking spot real fast. I do not want to be parked way out in the boondock. That's one thing I don't want to be. Uh-oh. Y'all coming out of there? Yeah, they gonna be taking their time coming out now. Uh-oh. Got the one right beside it. Ain't no buggy thing, is it? Nope. Good. Uh-oh. Turbo. Boom. 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 Oh. Let's go see what they're putting down. Putting down. Whoa. Let's see. That wasn't there. Oh no. Oh no. Blue light shawty. Blue light shawty. They trooper, I ain't. I hate to have to do them something out here. They pulling off? Probably not. Nah, in the same spot. I done went in there and went grocery shopping. Supposed to be tending to other business. Buying stuff to get back to work. I mean, I like on grocery shopping. Huh. Yeah, big man, don't hit me. Got hey motherfucker here, boy. Hey motherfucker make you check your shit up. A little banged up. A little banged up. Gas, 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 gas. Gas. Put a quick dub in there, man. I'm doing, I'm scrolling around. And to get ready to turn it in, man. It sprinkled earlier. That wind blowing. Like it's finna get ready. Just boom boom out here. It just ain't fully did it yet. Y'all ignore that. Oh, 300. That boy chopping, don't it?
Speed through hills, bitch, won't make it back home. I'm in the trap every day, get the pack on. I keep my strap like a dike with a strap on. Street free road to my nigga back home. My profit ain't buying no visa. Nays and Jordan with a all white tee on. Got off the top, tell Cool cut the beat on. Y'all with a drum, my nigga get beat on. Tell these niggas I ain't get some money. I pose like here, cause ain't shit fun. She suckin' real good, so I call it a gun. Bitch, too choppy, I need me a one. In your tech on a brand new rifle. I get tactical, bitch, I'm a sniper. Tell her that I love her, shit, I can't wife her. Tell her that this ain't BG from last year. Never slow down, bitch, I can't steer. These hoes be hopping the road like deer. Nigga don't scare me, ain't got no fear. With them hollow tips out through your body. Gon' need somebody, gon' want somebody. Take a trip to the north of the hill, one store up. That boy childish, they need to grow up. Oh, hit the stomach, make that nigga throw up. I don't sip drink on the woods, no pole up. I hit them out with the rest for the stove. Y'all got a gloss so a nigga can't hold. Say you got no meaning when you gotta show it. Shot a boy out and went down and he froze up. Shit, my day give a fuck, nigga so it. Shoot with me, they don't point on say. So hop in this car, you tryna go face it. Nigga don't talk, guarantee these race. So shoot out the car, walk down, go chase. I say he a chop, but he ain't got no. I never shoot best on the thing, they got no. That nigga that died, mama had made go. I beefing me, bro, for a nigga be so. They can't handle small like they ain't got no lung.
Be quiet, we got a crew, don't know about this, rockin' shit. Just don't know what's finna happen. Till them drunk, they keep the club. Shit, be quiet, we got a crew, don't know about this, rockin' shit. Just don't know what's finna happen. Till them drunk, they keep the club.
Shit, we got everything this month, start not 21.
This is Chuck till you weed.
Fuck around, get pop, blue rock, pimp. So been a man now. Can't not left in that child, not fucking no bricks. So come in your city, you know in the beat.
Done ass nigga. Y'all wanna be here? Go get your brother here. Oh, we still up. We still up, babe. We still up. Hey, get up in that water. Man, I ain't bragging about that. He like Charlie.
If she with me, you know she jolly.
And he smiling.
And I got this shit from chocolate, you know this ain't no fun, but nigga. That real
You ain't got shit, no need, bitch. Tried to take my time with, but I had the need for speed, bitch. You ain't the one for me, baby. You ain't got shit I need, bitch. Tried to take my time with, but I had the need for speed. Too much foggy on my smell. Anti-social on the reference off the lot, no wear and tear. Beat that pussy like a snare. Freaky bitch, I pull her hair while I beat it from the back. Don't do no run on like that. You like it, I love it. Ain't talking nobody. Just buy me a couple more stops. Yeah, little black ass nigga, I'll push on side with a couple of them things. My too much baki on my smell. Anti-social on the welfare. Stop the lot, no wear and tear. Beat that pussy like.
Yeah, man. Fun while it lasted. Let me in! Let's see over there on the phone. We gotta go park this bad boy though. Park there. Got stuff everywhere on the back seat and stuff. Park this bad boy, man. Till next time. Don't do too much riding this time at home, but get back. Gonna be on that slab, man. I can see Dallas in the near future, Dallas and Houston, you know. Thing like that in that nature. Dallas and Houston. Might even slide a little Baton Rouge in New Orleans, one or the other. Let me in, though. Oh, Jag. As he says here, 90 in the old Jag. Yeah, man, this is a wrap for this one, man. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all get at me. I know y'all see that. I know y'all see it. Yeah, but we on to the next, man. We done for the day.
I'm proud of you, you know that. I hope you do.